Heat half a cup of oil in a frying pan on medium heat. Fry the boiled eggs till they just start to get crisp. Make sure to turn constantly so as not to overdo any side. Once the eggs start to get crispy and slightly change color, remove from the pan. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and fry for a few seconds, just enough to get the flavor out. Add the chopped onion. Stir fry till the water starts to dry and the onion starts to change color. Add the ginger garlic paste. Stir fry till the mixture is golden brown. Add the tomato paste. Stir fry till the water starts to dry. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Add coriander powder. Stir fry till the water dries and the oil separates. Add the yogurt. Stir fry till the water starts to dry and the oil separates. Add water. Stir to mix well. Bring to a boil. Cover and leave to cook for 5 minutes. Add the eggs. Stir to mix well. Cover and leave to cook for another 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Cover and leave to cook for another 5 minutes. Let boil till the gravy is of desired thickness. Add the Indian spice. Add cumin seed powder. Stir to mix well. Sprinkle the fresh coriander leaves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. Enjoy with rice, chapati or naan bread.